WEnergy Global designed and installed a 25 kilowatt peak solar PV system at ESSEC Business School. This was a challenging project as the solar panels had to be attached to a non-standard roof material. Our engineers carefully calculated and designed the system so that it would be precisely mounted onto the metal trellis structure. During the construction of the solar PV system, our engineers also supervised and made sure that installation was done according to our design. This project was completed in less than 4 weeks, and it became operational in October 2023. WEnergy Global only uses Tier 1 components like solar panels and inverters. Together with certified installers, we guarantee that our systems perform to the highest standards. With an online monitoring system, our clients and us can monitor the performance of the solar PV system continuously. Any fault in the system is reported online immediately for corrective action.